there's sprinkles.
Hey guys, John, Maddie, and Jeff here with Best Price Nutrition. Be sure to check out the website at BestPriceNutrition.com. Make sure you're signed up for our emails. We got deals every weekend, as well as a lot of special deals, deals around the holiday, giveaways, and you guys can find out about the newest products we are bringing in. We just brought in an all-new brand, Rule1.
Mm-hmm.
We got their pre-workout, their protein, and
Pump pre-workout.
And their pump pre-workout. Since this video will probably be coming out next week, if you buy a Rule1 protein powder, so either a 2-pound or a 5-pound, while supplies last, we got some really nice Rule1 shakers here. And then Maddie filled them up earlier with bracelets, a couple samples each, some pill cases. So first, was it 44 people to buy it? Are going to wind up getting a shaker and some samples of some Rule1 stuff. And what are we taking a look at today, Jeff?
So we're going to be taking a look at Rule1, their birthday cake flavor. The thing I like about birthday cake, I don't think can you see it? Little sprinkles down there? That's always a nice, good...
we had to bring Jeff in. Jeff is the birthday cake connoisseur.
I do like sprinkles. The peanut butter nuts and more, and the Fit Butters.
We used to like the Miracle Labs, the Patriots Way with the sprinkles.
So this one is it's the R1 Whey Blend. You guys tested out the.
We tried the Isolate. Earlier.
Okay.
And we had the salted caramel, very tasty.
Actually, it was really good, yeah.
And with this one being a blend, probably be a little bit creamier, a little bit more milkshake-like consistency.
Yeah, I kind of like drinking the blends, like kind of maybe when you're hungry, because it does fill you up a little bit more.
More satiating.
Whereas an isolate is like really good after your workout and everything. But this is the birthday cake, so it's 24 grams of protein, 130 calories, which is pretty low, 1.5 grams of fat, only 4 carbohydrates, and it's just a blend of whey protein concentrate, whey protein isolate, and hydrolyzed whey protein isolate. So nice blend, and should be a kind of thing. Tasty shakes, juicy smoothies, and quickie breakfasts.
They actually have some unique flavors as opposed to just a normal chocolate. I think they got a chocolate fudge. What vanilla is vanilla buttercream.
Vanilla cake batter and vanilla
salted
cream.
Caramel.
Chocolate peanut butter.
Yeah. They have chocolate peanut butter.
Fruity cereal.
Fruity cereal.
Good, Jeff.
Wow, you filling me up there.
You love birthday cake.
I do. Glass sprinkles. Sprinkles in there.
Jeez. Drinking it.
Oh, that's good.
You know what reminds me of? When your mom was making cakes, you ever licked the the spoons or whatever?
You were like on point with
that's exactly the flavor this is, right?
Yeah. You said something earlier that was like, wow, you were perfectly right about that.
But it's not like a finished birthday cake. It's like licking the what do you call those spinners?
Oh,
Mixer.
Spatula?
No.
I use it for my eggs.
The hand mixers?
Like in the machine mixer, you got the little things that you take
the
off.
whisks.
The whisks.
Whisks.
That's exactly what this is.
I was thinking that flat thing that's like this, and you know,
spatula?
Is that a spatula? Yeah, spatula. So, but same thing, you know.
They nailed it if they were going for birthday cake batter.
Yeah. No, that's actually... I think I complain a lot because birthday cake, a lot of times I think it's just vanilla again.
That's a lot of the flavors are just
But
vanilla,
that actually does take like,
You got the sprinkles in there.
I love the sprinkles.
A little bit of a thicker shake, a little bit more milkshake-like.
Yeah.
I like it.
So, what do we normally do?
Well, we can't do carbonation level of sweetness. We can do.
Say like 6.5. It wasn't overly sweet.
No, so it's 7.
5.
5.
Strength of flavor.
7.
8.
We'll say 8. And just overall rating.
8.
I'd give it an 8 because I would actually probably, if I was like on a diet and I needed something to get past eating like a snack or something, that would work.
I think this would be even better with I like my stuff with milk or coconut milk, so I think it'd be even creamier, more delicious with milk. And then would you buy it again?
No, what are you giving it?
Oh, I'm gonna give it an 8.
Okay.
Would you buy it, or would you try it again?
Yes.
Yeah, I would probably. Some proteins I like better.
Yeah.
But if I was looking for some kind of blend, yeah, definitely. Yeah, this is actually really good.
You are picky about your proteins.
I know. I am very picky, and this is surprisingly good. But their caramel one that you guys gave yesterday was really good too. So, Rule1's on point.
Yes, we'll link down below to the entire Rule 1 brand if you guys want to check that out, as well as this specific protein. With their proteins, how are they named? There's like the I think the R1 was the isolate. This is the
R1 Whey Blend.
R1 Whey Blend.
Yep.
So we'll link to this particular birthday cake protein as well as the entire line. And again, if you're watching this video this week, the first 44 people to buy a 2-pound or 5-pound tub of Rule 1 Protein are going to get one of these shaker bottles full of samples, swag, and other goodies. You guys got anything else?
That's all I got.
Nope.
See you guys.
Do you know